to delay or prevent the onset of the condition that you are predisposed to developing. Oh, did I lose you somewhere there? Don't worry. We'll get you on the right track later on when it's properly explained. Now, families here in the Philippines can now be armed with the knowledge necessary to make informed decisions about health and lifestyle choices as a family. Now, this is why Cordlife Group Limited, through its GenScreen umbrella brand, has entered into a partnership with PlumCare, a US-based company founded by two eminent clinical geneticists, to offer a genetic testing service that can help families in Asia identify gene variants associated with increased risk of developing inherited conditions such as breast and ovarian cancer. And, well, I would like Sana to add to that, because as this service was explained to me, it might not even be something that was inherited. It might even be something that your body is just about to develop. And how awesome is that, right? Yes? Yes? Okay, you might not fully agree with me yet, but you wait. By the end of our 2 hours, we'll all be on the same boat thinking, you know what, let's get that done. You'll understand why it's so important. Now, for us to formally start our event, we would like to call on Cordlife Group Limited CEO and Executive Director, Mr. Michael Weiss, to deliver our welcome remarks.
So our company, Cordlife, possesses what I think is a very forward-looking mentality. And by forward-looking, I mean the very essence of our ever-growing suite of services illustrates our goal to encourage families to plan ahead and to act ahead, to expand the number of medical options available to them should certain unfortunate health situations arise in the future. Forward thinking ahead. This through our network of marketing partners. And we also have a minority stake in a joint venture in Thailand. So all told, including the Philippines, Cordlife's footprint now spans 9 countries throughout Asia. So as you can see, ours is a very multinational and geographically widespread platform, and one which has assisted upwards of 250,000 families over the last 17 years. Covering such a vast expanse creates great responsibility. A responsibility to ensure quality and customer focus, and to maintain leadership in the markets where we serve and where we operate. But also, in touching so many lives, our platform presents a compelling opportunity and gives us the wherewithal to contribute much, much more. With this in mind, a little while back we began building a portfolio of innovative new services that likewise aims to be forward-thinking in nature and cater to the needs of the entire family. This effort is one of the driving forces behind our new GenScreen brand, under which we're introducing PlumCare DNA Advisor to Asia. I will let Dr. Petros give a more technical overview of PlumCare DNA Advisor. But for the layperson in the audience here, including myself, simply put, PlumCare DNA Advisor enables individuals to better understand whether a particular genetic variant has any significance in his or her family's health. I believe, that knowing your health risks ahead of time can potentially pave the way for lifestyle changes and or the adoption of certain other measures that could ward off diseases or help treat inherited genetic variants that may lead to crippling diseases. Here you can see how PlumCare DNA Advisor fits in very well with our preference for having a forward-thinking approach. On a more macro level, apart from cellular therapy, genetics is at the forefront of cutting-edge health science. Breakthroughs in these fields, cellular therapy, genetics, have been accelerating like never before. We strongly encourage people to view genetic testing through the lens of disease prevention. Because there are so many genetic conditions that can be actively managed should we identify them early and act early. Cordlife aims to play a part in enabling families to take charge of their health, to move the conversation from sick care, where disease manages us, to health care, where we proactively manage away from or even prevent disease. This, among many other reasons, is why we have partnered with PlumCare, a very reputable genetics company based in the United States, to bring to our markets, including the Philippines, PlumCare DNA Advisor.